Thank you, Wendy. Yes, actually, we have been investing great efforts during 2020 to develop two valuable Industry 4.0 assets. So the first one is an innovative product. We call it the Guidebook of Best Industry 4.0 Applications. We realize that industry practitioners are looking for proven solutions that have been tried by their customers, suppliers, or competitors. We want to make it easy for them to find relevant implemented solutions. So we collected as many as 80 successful use cases, and we keep adding more. We put it on an online system like this one, allowing each of you to basically filter by industry vertical and by industry challenge area and find the most relevant ones. Then you can drill down into a specific use case, learn what challenges it solves, description of solution, and understand what value this solution has brought to customers. You can easily download it and share it with your team. You can even request an intro and we'll get you connected with the relevant person in that company. Each case study will have a clip, a brochure, or a case study. So I hope this resource would be useful for you, and we'll be sending you the link right after the summit. Now, I would like to turn to the second asset we've been developing, and we call it the Industry 4.0 Global Innovation Overview Report, where we asked executives from the largest industrial multinationals to help us understand their innovation strategies as well as their Industry 4.0 needs and priorities. Let me give you a sneak peek into the BI system analyzing the data. So the first question we've asked companies was, what does your company aim to achieve through innovation? And the top priority were improving operations and developing new products and services. When we drill down into specific verticals like electronics manufacturing, we found out that they're acquiring R&D assets as well as developing new products and services are at the top, whereas in automotive, improving operation is rated the highest. And we can drill down in many, many ways to analyze the data. Now, I would like to turn to a different question, very interesting one, and that is where we ask companies to prioritize their Industry 4.0 challenges. Well, the top priorities are basically improving availability and reducing downtime of machines, and improving process productivity and yield. On the other side of the scale are the less prioritized challenges, and there we found, very interestingly, the brownfield asset implementation, meaning connecting the older and existing machines, and the cybersecurity risks. Both are rated relatively low, and when we look specifically at relatively smaller companies with single digit in revenues in billions, there we saw that these would actually be the bottom challenges. And when we looked at the largest companies, meaning those with above 50 billion in revenues, there we saw that those priorities of brownfield and cybersecurity going way up. Jumping on to the last thing I want to show you, and that is, what do people expect in terms of the COVID-19 impact on the current and future Industry 4.0 initiatives? And the general notion was that COVID-19 would impact positively on Industry 4.0. Specifically, when we looked at a group of companies that are dealing with logistics, there we found those to be even more positive in terms of the expectation from Industry 4.0 initiatives. So there are many, many insights that we'll be sharing you in the near future, and then we'll publish the report. We look forward to your feedbacks, and we hope you enjoy the conference and have a great day.